This video is going to explore how parents or anyone in the public can access past EQAO assessments. The EQAO website releases some questions from the past 5 years EQAO assessments for the different grade levels, as well as releases their scoring guides and exemplars so the general public can understand how EQAO got the different marks that they did for the different questions. To begin, all anyone has to do is go to Google and search EQAO. Your first result should be the EQAO website, which is www.eqao.com. When you click on the link, it'll bring you to the EQAO homepage. You choose the language you prefer. I prefer English. And from there, you now have a choice to explore the website as an educator, a parent, and a student. When you're looking specifically for EQAO sample assessments, it's the same material provided for each of the three. So I will select educator, and from there I can decide the grade level, or I can go straight to the examples. So if I wanted to choose the grade 3 division, and then I can scroll down and see examples is the second option. I choose that link, and from there the student assessment booklets and scoring guides are available. So when I open that link, I can see there's an option to look at this past year's, the 2016 assessment, all the way down to the 2012 assessment, and I can choose a different grade level if I prefer to look at the grade 6, grade 9, or Ontario Literacy Test. From there, for the grade 3 one, the assessment booklets are provided, and if I click on it, it opens a PDF of the questions as well as the readings. So the reading booklet only has the readings for the students, and if I go back, the language book will have all of the questions that correspond to the reading, because this is how the test is available to the students when they're writing it. They have a reading booklet with just the readings and an answer booklet for language with just the answers. This is different than it was in 2012, so you'll notice a different format of assessments. From there, I can scroll down and see the alternative formats that are provided for students with different accommodations. And near the bottom, there's the scoring guides and sample student responses, as well as the multiple choice materials that provide the multiple choice answers. So if I were to open the language reading scoring guide and scroll down, I can see that there's a rubric provided for question 5. It tells me the question, and then it breaks down what the different scores would be for the students' responses. A level 10 on EQAO is a level 1, a level 20 is a level 2, a level 3 is a level 30 on EQAO, which is at grade level. A level 3 is what we're hoping all students will meet, and a level 4 is above expectations. On this rubric, it explains what's expected for the different levels. And then the next page has the same question and an example level 1 or code 10 response. And the bottom of the page explains why that example is a level 10. And then that goes through each of the 4 codes 10 to 20 with the sample and the explanation at the bottom. And this is what the sample guides look for. So when a student is practicing the EQAO assessment and they're answering the question, they can then look at the other samples and see what information they need to add.